Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Pranav Singh and we are mastering cloud security over here. This is my series on AWS cloud computing course, and right now we have not creating that account yet because I'm just giving you an overview on what cloud security and services are, but we are gonna do those in very soon in upcoming videos. So also this series is relatively short. All of these videos are under 7 minutes, so we'll ask more those digital bandits with laughs, because this is cloud security best suit up for some fun. So first slide I have created for introduction. So introduction to cloud security keeps your data safe and trusting, meeting laws like GDPR. The shared responsibility model is a buddy deal. AWS locks down data centers while you guard your apps, and don't leave your digital cookie jar unlocked with a weak password. So that's how it works. I have given all the bullet points over here, that and this applies, by the way, across all cloud service layers, that is IaaS, PaaS and SaaS, that is SaaS, which is really trending right now. So you can always take screenshot. Those who have been watching these videos know the drill, and those you are new, go back and watch other videos so you have better understanding of all these terms and everything. So moving on to the next slide. So following from our last slide, we have here the shared responsibility model, and I have listed some of the important bullet points. That shared responsibility model divides security duties between AWS and users. AWS secures physical infrastructure, example data centers, hardware, and user secure data, applications and configuration. Misconfiguration by users can create vulnerabilities, and example encryption of sensitive data is user's task. So this just follows from the last slide. And next up we have implementing the best practices. So you see how everything is connected from one to another. So implementing best practices is like your security toolkit. Strong passwords, like forget about password 123 which everyone keeps it, but aim for a 12 plus characters, and also multi-factor authentication added. And multi-factor authentication, for those who don't know, is like it asks you, even if you put your password, it asks you again who's there actually. So it does a phone check and audits that catch sneaks monthly. So creating security policies, here's a mock to deny public S3 access because nobody wants their files on hackers party list, right? So here are some points I have listed. That is, best practices are established guidelines for secure cloud usage, and all of the things which I've just mentioned. So, and also do keep in mind, I have the last point is really important, that monthly password updates enhances security, because if you use one password for a very long time, that is also get you to vulnerabilities by hackers, because eventually you use that password multiple places and it's not a good idea. So keep changing your password if something is that important. So here are some of the points I've listed to creating security policies. That policy is JSON formatted rule governing access permissions, and mock like this, like effect deny action S3 put object ACL blocks public access, prevents accidental or malicious data exposure, can be tailored for specific resources or actions, deny access from unapproved IP ranges. So these are some of the policies you can apply to your cloud network when you create it, so it's free from all the hackers and everything. So now we are at mitigating security breaches that stop data thieves cold. Imagine your S3 buckets a public buffet. Fix it with the MFA, multi-factor authentication, and a deny policy. Check Fortress Seal, public access. That's like yelling your secrets at a rock concert. Great for hackers, not for you. So all of these techniques which I've listed, that is uh, like all the leaks which can get hackers to your cloud, You can always take screenshot of all of this. Security breaches, unauthorized access to data or systems. Scenario: S3 bucket exposed to public internet. Use MFA and deny policies. Secure access. Public access allows data theft. Breaches can lead to illegal and reputational damage. You know many companies who have a bad reputation for data leaks, right? So you don't want that to happen with you. So whenever you create your company, make sure your policies align so much with security, not as like saving cutting cost or anything like that when it comes to security, because this is public's data, and they trust you, they value you, because you are the one who is responsible to store their precious information, like card, like what they like, what they don't like, and you should value their respect. What and It's a really ethical thing to do. So next up, so now we are at maintaining cloud security. Maintaining cloud security is like a never-ending guard duty monitor with CloudWatch, update policies, and everything in between. So here are some points that I've listed. Cloud security is a continuous effort to safeguard cloud assets, requires ongoing monitoring with tools like CloudWatch, involves regular policies and reviews and updates, supports long-term cloud operational success. Neglect can result in persistent security gaps. So this is all about AWS security and cloud security. And thank you for watching. We'll be soon preparing for the exams. I'll be also making videos on how to create and do some demos on cloud security, and we all are in this together. We are gonna get our AWS certificate together. So keep the channel subscribed, click the bell icon so you don't miss an update. Thank you. See you in the next one.